accidentally admits she wrote an op-ed for Johnny Depp because he is a powerful man.
I know how many people will come out and say whatever for him. That's his power. That's why I wrote the op-ed. I was speaking to that phenomenon. How many people will come out in support of him and will fall to his power. I have seen people do this time and time again. That's why I wrote the op-ed.
And now she's planning to write another book. Let's explore what the jury says and how fans react. On Thursday, the Aquaman star testified for the final time in the 6-week-long defamation case. Johnny Depp is suing Heard for defamation in the amount of $50 million, claiming her 2018 article harmed his career. The article stated, "I spoke out against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That needs to change." She never mentioned Depp in the article. Camille Vasquez, Depp's lawyer, questioned Amber Heard about gaps in her allegations revealed by various witnesses in the Pirates of the Caribbean star's trial. Those who backed Depp, including his ex-girlfriend Kate Moss and Morgan Knight, the owner of Hicksville Trailer Palace, who refuted Heard's claim that Depp aggressively trashed a trailer. "You didn't expect Miss Moss to testify because you thought of Mr. Depp pushing Kate Moss down the stairs," Ms. Vasquez said. She responded that she knew many people would support Johnny because of his power over them. "I've already been through this man's trial," she explains. "I know how many people will rally behind him." She admits in her explanation that the article was about Depp, which is at the heart of the lawsuit and the court case. "I know how many people will show up and say whatever they want for him," she went on. "That is his ability. That's why I wrote the editorial. He is a very powerful man, and people love currying favor with powerful men," I explained, referring to the phenomenon of how many people will rally behind him and submit to his authority. The assertion that she wrote the article to highlight Johnny Depp's power contradicts her previous assertion that the 2018 op-ed was not about Johnny. On the stand on May 16th, Heard stated, "The only one who ironically made it about him is Johnny. Everything revolves around me. It's about what happened to me after Johnny. It's about what happened to me following my divorce." When asked if she had any ill will toward her ex-husband as a result of publishing the article, she insisted none. The internet also picked up on her latest contradictory admission. "She admits the op-ed is about Johnny Depp," wrote one Twitter user. "That's why I wrote the op-ed," another said. She was aware of it. While this is the first time Heard has acknowledged that the op-ed was about Depp, the legal team will need to do more for this to be a winning factor. A jury recently decided whether Amber Heard's article titled "I Spoke Up Against Sexual Violence and Faced Her Culture's Wrath" that has to change, implied or insinuated anything about her ex-husband, or whether her statements were false or written with malice in mind. When Heard was found guilty, the Washington Post added a lengthy addendum to the online version of the article, quoting the defamatory passages. Johnny Depp sued Amber Heard for defamation in 2019 as a result of this 2018 op-ed. Following a trial in Fairfax County, Virginia Circuit Court on June 1, 2022, a jury found Heard liable on 3 counts for the following statements, which Depp claimed were false and defamatory. Number 1, "I spoke out against sexual violence and faced the wrath of our culture. This must change." Number 2, "Then, 2 years ago, I became a public figure representing domestic abuse, and I experienced the full force of our culture's wrath against women who speak out." Number 3, "I had the unique opportunity to witness how institutions protect men accused of abuse in real time." In one of these 3 counts in her countersuit, the jury found that Depp defamed Heard through his lawyer Adam Waldman. Fans react to the news in different ways. One Twitter user wrote that Amber Heard has donated to write a book. Wait a minute, that doesn't make any sense. Another user wrote that, well, she sometimes keeps her word. She pledged her turd to the bed and then followed through with a large donation on the same bed. Hooray for Amber, but the cleaning lady is not pleased. Another user further said that, nobody wants to read anything she has pledged. It doesn't matter if you pledged or donated, it's all nonsense. Other users wrote, "Didn't she warn Johnny that writing a book or selling his journals was a sign of desperation? Anything for a buck, right?" On that, another person replied, "No, wait, didn't she make a promise to write a book? But that doesn't mean she has to write one, does it?" Another user stated that, "Is it going to be full of blank pages like her court notes? Please do us a favor and leave quietly. She attempted to end JD's life and continues to do so even after the trial." Meanwhile, some stated that she is her own ghostwriter and maybe she pledged to write a book that is full of Another user stated, "That's great, and JD can sue her again. I believe L'Oreal flew her to New York to meet with her so they could fire her. They then dropped her off in Washington to meet with the ACLU. JD should make a movie about it. Gone Girl and Mommy Dearest in one film. Share your views about the new op-ed by Amber Heard in the comments below.